Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and this is just a quick video, show you guys what I bought. Planything had a sale. I think it was like 70% off. It was something crazy like that. And Julie from Plans in the Making was the one that posted about it. And Julie, I did use your code, just so you know, and I saved an extra 10%. But I just got this order. Honestly, I can remember one book that I ordered, but I can't remember the other one, so opening this is going to be sort of a surprise for me too, which is kind of fun because it's like, what did past me order for future me? So some of these are my mom's because when I was ordering, just to save on shipping, I always ask her if she wants something, and so some of these are going to her house. So let's see, what did I order, because I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, seasonal houses. I think this one was my mom's. Oh, should I open it? If it's my mom's, probably not, huh? I'll let her open it. She won't care. Let's see. Can I open it? How does it open? Okay. Let's open it. And I'm not doing like a full flip through. I'm just doing like one of these. I just want to see. Ooh. Oh, those are cute. Look at that. And the little kitty cat. Just a quick little flip through. Get an idea. Oh my gosh. Aw. I didn't know there would be animals. Oh, and that's cute for Valentine's Day. Okay, so that's seasonal houses. Tropical beach. I'm pretty sure this one's mine. I'm pretty sure. Wow, this is like thick. Oh look, it's 40 sticker sheets. Okay, so yeah, it is a little thicker than the Happy Planners, usually 30 sheets. Oh, look at those. I like that washi. Although it's strip. I had someone correct me. That's not washi. Washi is like thin. I always call it washi. Very cute. This is pretty. I like these corners. Let's go through it. Oh, look. Seahorses. See, yeah, this is definitely my book. Those are cute. The little girls hugging each other, and those are cute too. I'm sure you guys have seen some people using these already. All right, favorite florals. I don't remember if this one's mine or hers. I'm gonna have to go and look through my text messages, because typically I'll just tell her, oh, look how cute. I'll say, which ones do you want? And then she'll text me the ones that she wants. So, we'll have to see. Are these mine or are these hers? Very cute, very cute. Ooh, those are nice. I like that. It's like different. Ooh, and I like that purple. Cute. All right. And this one, I already have this one. I asked for it for Mother's Day, and my mom bought it for me. But it was like $37 because it's 60 sticker sheets. And it was on sale for $15. So I got a second one just because sometimes, you know, some of the more used letters, you use those first and then you can't make any other words. So I decided having a second one of these isn't a bad idea because it's got a lot of really cute fonts, and I can always use the extra letters when I use them once, especially like the vowels and the T's and the S's and stuff like that. Okay, so that one I know for sure is mine. Let's see what these are. Oh, that's right. She got this, which is a little planner. She does more of a like junk journaling type of thing. These are cute. Oh, this is the cover. Oh, I'm glad she ordered this. You know why? Because I saw Planning with Bumble. She showed these, and I was curious because I wasn't sure. You know what this feels like? Because I asked if the cover was the same as a Happy Planner cover, because you know Happy Planner covers are pretty sturdy. Like, let me see. I don't know if you can tell the difference just by me seeing. You know what these feels like. This one feels like, you know, those folders that you buy that are like that plasticky. That's what these feel like. Cute. So it's sturdy, but it's not as thick as a Happy Planner cover. So let's see this. This is cute. So she's going to make her own little planner thing. Although she doesn't really use it for planning, she uses it kind of like a creative outlet. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That one. Now I'm jealous. The same thing always happens when we don't order the same thing. We end up wanting what the other one has. That's cute. Very cute. Very cute. I like these. Hi, Mia. Meow, meow. Oh, look how cute. The little kitty right there. Can you see it? Yes, Mia, there's a kitty on here. That's cute too. I love anything tropical. I'm from Puerto Rico, in case you guys didn't know that. I was born in Puerto Rico. I used to go to Puerto Rico every summer, especially when I was young, and then when my kids were young. Now we don't go as much. So anything tropical, and this is just dog grid paper. I wonder if she realizes that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rings, not 9, like a like here's the classic size. That's that size. So it's sort of like a between a mini and a classic. It's like in between those two. Okay. Lovely Summer. I'm thinking this was me. I love all things summer. I really do. I'd much rather be hot than cold. Being cold makes me mad. Although being hot isn't so great either, but again, like being cold hurts for some reason. Like everything hurts. Look how cute. The little kitty cats. And you know what I like about these sticker books? She includes guys in there. Whereas the Happy Planner sticker books, it's all about, I mean, and I'm all about the girls, but you know, it's cute. Look, a little grandpa and a grandma. That's cute. Kitty cats. Happy people. It looks like a thrift store, maybe. I don't know. That's cute. Oh, I like this book. They're having fun. I need to get in my pool, y'all. It's like in my pool, it's either too cold and then immediately it's too hot. Like seriously, the water gets to be like 90 degrees and it's just not very refreshing. Cute. Very cute. All right. So that one is Lovely Summer. Very cute. Seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam. Didn't we just do this one's just seasonal houses. Okay. This one must be her too. I don't remember ordering anything with houses. I'm not much of a, I mean, I use houses. She uses them way more than I do. So yeah, she probably ordered this. That's cute. Mom, I'm sorry I opened your packages. I will rewrap them. And you can open them. I'll even put it in the little pink bag. Cute, 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 cute. All right. Give me a minute, Mia. I'm almost done. All right, one more. Seasonal Days. 34 sticker sheets. I don't remember. I think this is hers too. I don't know. Cute. And the pumpkins. Like Halloween should always have a black cat. I'm not seeing a black cat in this one. In my opinion. But I love black kitties, don't I, Mia? Okay, so that's summer, spring, more of those cute little animals. Oh, pretty butterflies. Nice. All right, I'm gonna have to look through and see which ones are mine and which ones are hers. Okay, that's it for this haul video. So that was Seasonal Days, Seasonal Houses and Trees in Amsterdam, Lovely Summer. This was super cute for creating your own little, you know, planner. Fun alphabet, favorite florals, tropical beach, and seasonal houses. All right, bye y'all.